Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. 3 children are playing together on the beach. A boy with glasses, wearing a yellow tank top and green shorts, is building a sandcastle. He is kneeling on the sand and shaping the structure with his hands. A girl with brown hair, wearing a purple top and red skirt, is assisting him. She is crouched down, smiling as she watches the boy work. Another girl with blonde hair, wearing a blue t-shirt with a red star and pink shorts, is holding a blue bucket. She is standing nearby, happily looking at their sandcastle. All 3 children seem to be enjoying their time at the beach. They are barefoot, suggesting they are comfortable and relaxed. Their facial expressions show happiness and excitement. A brown dog with a yellow collar is standing beside the boy. The dog appears friendly and curious about what the children are doing. It is wagging its tail, indicating that it is happy. The dog's tongue is slightly out, giving it a playful look. It is positioned close to the sandcastle, as if it wants to join in the fun. The beach is bright and colorful, with clear blue skies. The ocean waves are gently touching the shore. In the background, there is a green hill or island. The sand looks soft and smooth, perfect for playing. There are a few scattered clouds in the sky. The sun in the sky has a smiling face. It has 2 big eyes and a cheerful expression. The sun's bright yellow color makes the scene feel warm and happy. The presence of a smiling sun adds a cartoonish and playful element to the image. Seagull. A seagull is flying in the sky. It has white feathers and an orange beak. Its wings are spread wide as it soars above the children. The seagull appears to be looking at the children, possibly interested in their activity. A yellow bucket with a green shovel is placed on the sand. The bucket and shovel suggest that the children have been using them to build the sandcastle. This image portrays a joyful and lively beach scene where children are having fun, playing with sand, and enjoying nature. The overall atmosphere is cheerful and full of positive energy. Subscribe the channel for more videos.